The health benefits of green tea. While there are many beverages around, green tea is one of the healthiest beverages. It's considered to be an anti-aging beverage. Though there are lots of health benefits of green tea, the question, are all teas created equal? Is green tea superior? What about matcha and black tea? From reducing heart disease and cancer risk to promoting weight loss and blood sugar control, here are the top 5 reasons why we have the greens for tea. And just before we start, don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and the bell button to get notified of our new videos. Number 5. Improve brain function and mental performance. While the stimulants in tea can keep you awake, they can also make your brain function better. The main stimulant, caffeine, is present in tea at enough of a dose to provide a lift for most people without causing the increased anxiety and jitters associated with drinking too much coffee. Additionally, the amino aid L-theanine has a relaxing effect while simultaneously increasing alertness, which in combination with caffeine can increase brain function and help you be more productive. Number 4. Cancer prevention. According to the National Cancer Institute, the polyphenols in tea have been shown to decrease tumor growth in laboratory and animal studies and may protect against damage caused by ultraviolet UVB radiation and prevent breast, bladder and colorectal cancer. In countries where green tea consumption is high, cancer rates tend to be lower, but it is impossible to know for sure whether it is the green tea that prevents cancer in these particular populations or other lifestyle factors. Number 3. Burn fat. Clinical studies suggest that green tea may boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. Yes, the benefits of green tea include helping you lose weight and lower your risk of becoming overweight or obese. By helping you selectively burn the fat you've stored in your body for energy, green tea may help you feel fuller and maintain a more steady energy level, resulting in fewer hunger cravings and fewer calories consumed. Number 2. Boost your physical performance. Green tea health benefits include boosting physical performance, increasing exercise endurance, and decreasing reaction time. Although other ingredients in green tea may aid this effect, caffeine and green tea's ability to mobilize fatty acids in fat tissue make them more easily available for use as energy-aiding physical performance. Number 1. Aid digestion. Among all these green tea health benefits, some data has shown green tea can aid digestion, improve bowel health, and reduce inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Green tea may act by reducing inflammation in the gut associated with Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, the 2 types of IBD. From this list of green tea benefits, which one do you find more useful to you? Care to leave a review? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.